Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Bhavani.
Yeah. You people can hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Okay, okay. These are the actually scenario we are using for the work for the work center. The formula related things are important. I will guide you how to do what are the things. For the routing operation, in the routing operation, we can do the automation process. Do you know we can do the automation process during confirmation in the routing operation itself?
Yeah, it's a
Automatic goods
auto
issue.
backlash, na?
Yes, automatic goods issue.
Yeah, auto backlash and
Auto goods
auto goods
receipt.
receipt.
Okay, that we'll see in
Through
this.
the control key.
Yes, very good. That we'll see. Do you know why I have added the costing related things? Can anyone tell me what is the PP cycle? Please, both of you start one by one. We'll discuss.
Yeah, that is a production order cycle, na?
Hmm.
Yeah.
No, PP cycle. PP cycle is not production order cycle. It is full process of PP. Jagdish, we have discussed in the morning, right?
Yes, yes. I will.
Yeah. Can
First,
first Anant, can you explain
we
what? No, wait, Jagdish. Anant, can you explain what is PP
Yeah,
oh,
cycle?
yeah, creation of PIR or forecasting data like and SOP. Later that MRP run we have to do and
No,
conversion the PR into
no,
the
Anant,
planning
no, Anant,
planned orders.
no,
Yeah,
Anant. Think that I am your
yeah,
interviewer and I am asking the question. Mr. Anant, can you explain me the PP cycle? How you will explain?
yeah. As per my knowledge, I explained like this only in previous interview also.
Okay.
Yeah. If any, I have to correction, make correction on that.
Okay, we'll do the correction.
Yeah, yeah,
I am asking your
yeah,
opinion.
PR,
We'll do the correction. Yeah.
yeah, PIR creation and conversion of PIRs into the planned orders and
Directly,
planned orders to be converted.
directly, we cannot go to the output. First, we have to provide the input, right? With the help of input, we'll
Yeah,
go to the output. In the PP point of view, material master, BOM, work center is there or not? We have to create all the things. Then we have to run the MRP. Then only after running the MRP, we are going for the plan order to production order. I am right or wrong?
yeah, master data creation is also important.
Yes, yes, that we have to tell
Yes,
because these are the main
yeah.
things. As because we are showing as a 3.5 or 4 year experience minimum, right?
Hmm.
Mr.
Yeah.
Jagdish, can you explain?
yes, we create first bomb and
No, master data
we
we have to
assign the
no. We have to tell that first the material master is created. After that, we create the create the bomb with the help of material master. Okay. After that, we will create the work center. In the suppose you are working, let it be material master. Okay. In the you are working as a planning engineer or production engineer, right? How can you
yes,
plan your business process? How you people have worked there? Some planning team will release the drawing, right? The process will be
yes,
like
yes,
this, I think. The planning team will be releasing the drawing. We are taking the drawings and we are checking the components. If the component is components means material. Material is available in the store or not. If the material is available, we are planning to start the cutting of the material. We are arranging the components, right? This is the procedure you are using.
yes, yes, yes.
Can you explain what is the real process as a planning engineer you are working? Because I also work as a planning engineer and production engineer. Okay. So can you explain, brief me, what are the steps we are using? Because same thing we will map here only. Nothing, no difference. Same, what are the things we are doing as a planning engineer? Same thing we will be doing in this as a PP consultant.
Oh,
Yeah, but material quality check as per SAP standard process. After creation only we do the material quality check,
Yes,
na?
yes, yes. For the SAP standard, no, I am asking for planning point of view, how you have done. The SAP point of view, that there is we can check the material in 3 ways. That will come because it is the
Yeah,
integration of PP, QM, PP, MM, and SD. It is very important thing. Availability check. Availability check of the material is the integration of PP, QA, PP, SD, and MM. When the seller
yeah,
creates
there is a scope of planning, na?
yes, yes, that I will explain. No, I am asking you are you have what is the business process? How you have worked as a planning engineer? Can you explain me what is the procedure? Some you are receiving some of the drawing from your team, design team. Then you are releasing the team to drawing to the supervisor. Then the supervisor is taking the drawing and providing to the fitter, fabricator, or the you can say operators, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, here is a PDQC is their production design and quality control. As per sales order and forecasted data, they create only, they give the order like we have to this have to produce and on this time the requirement is there. Like PDQC is the starting point and like a design team. And later we will dispatch into the dispatcher. The plan is sent to the dispatcher, and dispatcher create the release the order. Actually, already created orders will be released by dispatcher only. That will move into the production supervisor. He carried out the next operations as per routing, which is predefined.
Good, good, good.
Yeah.
Good, good. Same thing. See, if someone will ask us what is the PP cycle, what are the operation we are doing for the PP point of view, or what is the plan to produce, not procure, plan to produce cycle, plan to produce cycle of PP. Boundary. Then we have to explain like this. In the interview purposes or someone asks us, we have to prepare first. We are creating the material master. Okay. After that, we are creating the bomb. After creating the bomb, what we are doing? We are creating the work center. Okay. We are then we are creating the routing. In the routing, we are assigning the work center and control key. Right. After
Yes,
creation
yes.
of the routing, we are producing, we are doing the production version. Production version is nothing but the combination of BOM and routing, right? After creating the
Yes.
production version, see, I have entered a mandatory thing. Costing run of the material is must. Why costing run of the material is must? Suppose we are producing a finished material. Okay. If we will not run the cost of the material, then the BOM component, operation detail will not be added for the material. Right? This is
Yes.
the important
Yes.
concept. This is an important concept. I'll explain you 1 minute.
We are updating the material prices and activity prices, right? In the CK11, and we update.
No, it is very important. Why I have added? Why I have done? Why I have done costing run here? Because you people know how the costing of a material is fetched. Suppose our finished product is the seat. We are producing the seat cover, okay, and the raw material is seat 1. Raw material is seat 2, okay, and the
It means
operation is
Okay.
moving price and fixed standard
sorry,
price, no?
huh?
Yeah, in material master, we give the moving price for raw materials and standard price for FG material. No?
Yes, yes, yes. Suppose this is my finished material, okay. I have to capture the finished material price. How I will capture? If I run the cost of the sheet material, then this BOM component sheet 1, sheet 2 will be fetched to sheet, and operation 1 and operation 2 will be fetched to sheet. So how it will be fetched? If I will do the costing run of the material, then it will be fetched. If I will not run the costing of the
Yes,
material,
yes.
it will not fetch. Okay. And I have to do the costing
Yes.
run. It is mandatory. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
After
In real time, who do the casting run?
see,
Casting run.
in the real time, some of the very good question. Some of the company finance team is doing, but some of the company PP guy will be run. For my current project, PP person is running the cost. Okay, costing run can be
Okay.
done by
Actually,
how what is the T code
yeah,
for cost?
actually, it is the integration, na?
Yes,
Integrated with
yes,
FE call.
it is the integration thing. So
Yeah.
for the real time, both PP and FI guy will do. For my real project, PP guy is doing. Why PP guy is doing? Because he want to learn many things. But actually, the FI guy should have to run. Okay, but the PP guy is running because he want to learn many things. So he is running, and if any doubt, he can clarify and he is proceeding further. Okay, what is the T code for this cost run?
Yeah, CK11 and
CK24.
Sorry,
CK24.
CK11N.
very good. CK11 is the costing run. CK24 is to release of the cost. Suppose I have done the
Price
CK11 cost.
update.
Yes,
Price update, right?
yes, my price is 100. I have to update by CK24. So it will be updated in the material master. It is very important. Suppose I have done wrongly for this material. Okay. My price should be 110, but it is wrongly showing 10 rupees. What I have to do? I have done the costing run for CK11N and I have done CK24. I have done the wrong costing for the material. What I have to run? I have to delete this costing of the material. Again, I have to rerun, right? To delete this
Yes, yes.
costing, I have a T code CKR1. Okay. See, CK11N is to run standard cost estimation of a single material. The T code CK40N is there. Okay. It will help to run the material for the mass. What are the T codes I am saying?
Collective materials.
Yes, slash N CK40N. It will, what will the, see, for a company, suppose 2000 material is there. The people will not run CK11 and in a single by one material. What they have to do? They have to run by plant wise, right?
Yes.
Yeah, for this T code, this is CK40N. Okay. They have to provide the selection screen, they have to do the costing analysis, they have to run the costing. The error will show one by one, two, three, four, 5 steps they have to do. Okay, what are the errors they are showing? They have to clear the error. This is the CK40N. They are doing in the mass way. We can also schedule this as a background job. Do you know what is background job?
Yes, yes.
Tell me what is background job?
We have to
Before that,
create
we
a
have to
variant for we have to create
background
a
job.
variant for that background job, and
Very good.
in
Very good.
SN36 we can create a background.
Very good, very good. In the suppose I am
Yeah.
creating the background job, we will see that very background job also. So what we will do for the plant basis, we have to create a variant. And we will do the background job for the monthly basis. This CK40N we are doing the monthly basis, monthly once or twice. So automatically it will run and cost will be updated. If something is missing, we can do by CK11N. That also enhancement we have done. That enhancement I will show you. This is a very interesting things. I'll show you what is the enhancement
Yeah.
we have done and what are the things we have done. Okay. So costing done, costing is the mandatory. After costing, MRP is there.
Yeah,
Okay.
this thing will be defined in implementation project itself. No? Who has to done the costings like that?
Yes, yes. What we have done, we have given, we have provided a business blueprint data, and also
Yeah.
after that we have provided a data. These are the mandatory things. See, if I make the mandatory things, user discipline is required. If the user will not do the costing, so I have to do the restriction. I have to do the enhancement. I have to give the means in the standard. If the user is not doing the costing, then the system will allow. How the system will know the costing is okay or not? So that we have done an enhancement. If the user will not do the costing run, then it will not go for the further step. That thing I will show when we will go for the enhancement class. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
After costing, it is very important MRP. From PP point of view, MRP is a very important things. Can you tell me, can you people tell me how the MRP is calculated, how the MRP is actually running?
It
Yeah,
will
yeah,
check the
it's,
first. It will check the planning file entry,
Hmm? No, leave it
and
planning.
then
But no, I am that will also discuss. It will check the planning file entry or what. How the MRP will trigger. Suppose I have a material, okay. How the MRP will trigger for that material? If I run the MRP, if my requirement is not there, then the requirement plan order purchase requisition will be not be created for my material. Are you getting? Suppose this
yes,
is
yes.
you get it na? How the MRP is generated? They will ask this also interview question. How the MRP will be triggered?
Regenerative planning. We can use regenerative planning, right?
Do you know the strategy, right?
planning strategy is there, na?
Yes, tell me now the
Yeah,
thing.
depends on the planning strategy. The MRP will be rated. Bhavani?
Only by planning. Yeah, only by planning strategy
Yeah.
MRP will run.
No, there is a lot of parameters is there.
No, I
MRP
am not
type is
asking the
there,
planning
large size
strategy.
procedures.
This is very
Yeah, you
important
know,
thing. How MRP will be
yeah,
triggered. How MRP will trigger. Okay.
yes, sir.
We know the forecasting things. That is MD61 forecasting. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
If I am providing the forecasting to a material, then MRP will trigger. Am I right or wrong?
Yes. Yes.
It and the forecasting will be MTA strategy, right?
Yes.
If I am creating a sell order MTO strategy,
Sales
the
order.
requirement is 100. When I do the MRP run, it will be trigger, right?
Yes. Or safety stock.
You know safety stock and reorder point.
yes.
By these three, we can run the MRP, correct?
Automatic is there, manual is there, no? Automatic and
Yes.
manual
Do you
are
know these
points.
things? By these things,
Yes,
Yes.
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 yes. This is our main concept. And we do MRP run. There is a T code MD01,
And
MD02, MD01N. It is very important.
Yes.
Currently, most of the HANA company, they are using MD01N. Okay. That we will discuss what is the
yes.
difference between MD01 and MD01N and what are the real-time things it is affecting. That we will discuss in a separate class between difference between MD01 and MD01N. Why we are preferring MD01N instead of MD01 is available? Why it is why we require to go with MD01N? We will discuss.
We aware of that actually. MRP
Okay.
live and
Okay,
classic
okay.
MRP.
Where I means we will discuss the things, what are the inputs
Yeah,
we
yeah,
provide, and we will discuss. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
After MRP, what we'll do? We'll create the plan order to production order, and the production we'll do the production order creation, production order release, right? After that, we'll do the goods issue. How we can do the goods issue? Do you have any idea?
Yeah,
Yes.
against the
We can.
reservation.
We can.
Yeah, please tell me how we can do
Yeah,
the goods issue.
yeah, Jagdish, you can go.
We
Sorry.
we can do through goods issue backflush. We have option backflush in the material master and routing and work center. Or we can do it through Migo transaction 261 moment type.
Hmm.
Yeah.
You can do only how my question to both of you, how I can do goods issue. I can do the goods issue by backflush. I can do the goods issue by Migo also, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
both option is there.
Suppose I am going with backflush. Okay. How I can do the
Yeah,
goods issue by backflush? Where I have to maintain the what parameter I have to maintain?
yeah. Along
In
with
the
master data,
multi.
there is a confirmation parameters. We have to indicate the goods movement indicator in confirmation parameters along with
What is that T code?
indicators.
What is that T code?
Yeah, OPK4 is there, na?
Okay.
Confirmation parameters.
Okay.
Yeah, in that we have to indicate the goods movement.
Hmm. Now my
That's
question
the
is how
configuration
I
side.
can
Yeah,
how
yeah. After confirmation, the auto goods issue will happen.
hmm.
In the material master MM02 view, we have a backflush option. Always
Very good.
backflush or
Good.
work center decides.
Okay.
And in the work center, we have a option for the backflush.
Very good. Good.
And in
Routing
the
also
routing
there.
operation in the material allocation, we have an option for backflush.
Okay. Suppose I am going here. Where I have to go?
Operation details, material allocation in the allocation view.
Okay.
Yeah, allocation. we have a backflash option.
Where?
Yeah, indicator is there, na? Besides L
B,
indicator.
B, item category, after item category.
Here?
Yeah, quantity sort, in below there. So quantity and
So, yes, yes,
sorting unit Amazon backlash. Yes.
It is the degraded.
This indicator will come from the material master only.
No, you told me that in the routing I can assign. That I want to check where I can assign the routing.
No, we can see that it is indicated with the backlash or
No,
not.
my
We can
question,
only see
yeah,
that.
you are correct. My question is that how we can assign?
Yeah,
You correct. First answer is correct. You can assign the material
yeah,
master. You can assign in the OPK for configuration. That is correct. You can
yeah,
assign in the work center. Right. Another where
yes,
four option is that. Another we cannot assign here. We have to go for the order. Okay. If we are going for the order, if you are going to the order, suppose I am passing this order, and in the order itself, suppose I am going to the component, I have missed, means there the backflush is missed. So I can manually do the backflush here,
yes, yes,
right?
yes, yes, we have. Yes,
yeah,
These are the four things. It is very important things we'll discuss, and these are the enhancement we have also, we'll discuss regarding these things, okay?
yeah.
And
okay.
Yeah, in some industry, the restrictions also done for the any changes in production order after creation. This is also possible, no?
yes, see, in the today
Yeah,
morning also I have discussed with Mr. Jagdish that in the standard
yeah,
SAP, do you know if I will not do the GI and if I will skip the GI confirmation and I'll do the GR,
yeah.
it will
We
allow.
can
If
do
I
this.
will not do the GI
Yes, yes.
confirmation GR, I will do the TECO, it will allow. But which is wrong?
Yeah, and in
It is
standard it
very
is
wrong.
allowed.
Suppose I am creating a order. If the cost will be actual cost will be calculated, I am doing the TECO, then it will affect the financial point of view, right? TECO means what? I
Yes,
have to
yes,
Yeah.
do the goods receipt. I have to do the complete the delivery. Then I have to do the TECO. Okay. After TECO, I have to do the
yes,
order settlement. After order settlement, I will do the close. After TECO,
yes,
my
yes.
actual step, I will what I will do, I will do the order settlement KO 88, CO 88. You people have know that, right? Order settlement,
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
will.
order settlement. Then we will go for go to close close this.
Yes, yeah,
Okay.
closed the order.
Before this, we have to do outbound delivery and invoice. Outbound delivery means VL01L. Okay. We'll discuss
Yeah,
all the things in before proceeding before wind up this class. I have a doubt. I have a question for you. What are the
yes.
mandatory views for the material master? From PP point of view, what are the mandatory views for the material master?
Yeah, MRP views is there now 1, 2, 3, 4,
Only
and
many,
work scheduling
only
is
MRP views. If you are keeping MRP views,
from PP side. Yeah, from PP front of view. These
Basic
are the
data 1
mandatory.
and 2,
yes.
basic data 1 and 2, and MRP 1, 2, 3, 4, and work scheduling, and
Costing also there, no? Costing accounting view.
No, we are. I am expecting
Yeah,
a because you people have
plant,
gone through.
plant and storage data,
Sorry, no. That
plant and
plant,
storage
plant
data.
and the storage.
what are the important fields? Important fields for the raw material is. Tell me which view is mandatory for raw material.
Yeah, purchasing view.
Very good, good. Which view is mandatory for finished material?
Yeah,
Work
plant and
scheduling,
storage data.
Hmm?
Plant and storage
work
data.
schedule, work scheduling,
Yes, very good. They will ask the question. Sometimes they will ask which view is mandatory for sell order item, sell order material,
sales and
Sales
distribution data,
organization.
sales view.
Sales
sales
organization is
organization.
there.
Yes, sales view, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
From PP point of view, basic data 1, basic data 2, MRP 1, MRP 2, MRP 3, MRP 4, work scheduling view, accounting view, costing view. These are most important. Okay. Then You in the interview they will ask what are the MRP views available in the material master. Tell me.
Yeah.
What are the MRP views available
MRP
in the material master?
MRP 1, 2,
Yeah, that
3,
is
4.
2, 3, 4. Na.
No. आज we are showing as a 4 year of experience. So we will not tell that MRP 1, MRP 2, MRP 3, MRP 4. Okay. We will tell them if MRP 1 planning data like this. The MRP views available in the material master are that MRP 1 planning data, MRP 2 procurement data, MRP 3 strategic view or data, MRP 4 repetitive view. Can anyone tell me why instead of MRP 1 view, why I called this planning data? If you people
Because we have total planning details in the MRP 1 view, like
very
material type, MRP
good.
controller, lot sizing procedures.
Very good. This is the important things we have to find the lot sizing. All the planning related data is available in the MRP 1. That's why we call planning.
MRP
Okay.
MRP controller fixed lot size, yes.
MRP2, why it is called procurement data? All the procurement related things are
Awesome.
available. Procurement type, special procurement. Okay. How much time it will take for in-house production, goods received, delivery time for the material. MRP3 is called strategy data because the strategy group we are using here 10, 11, 20, 50, 82. Okay.
Yes, yes.
MRP4. Do you know this? Here also you can maintain the production version instead of C223. Do you know?
Yes,
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 yes, we
yes.
know.
It is very easy to
Yeah.
maintain here and find out the things. See?
Yes, we know.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if next time they will ask, what are the views available in the material master? How you will answer?
Yeah, MRP1
Planning
planning
data,
data like this.
You
Yeah.
have to explain like
procurement
MRP2
that.
data.
procurement.
No, you have to explain like that. MRP1 planning data, the parameters are available like lot sizing procurement. Okay, what are the parameters available? You have to explain. Again, MRP2, the parameters are available like this. You have to explain. Okay, the things we have to
Okay.
convey
Yeah.
the things. Most of the things, most of the error in the real time. Okay, we will find the solution we are getting for MRP 1, 2, 3, 4, purchasing view, work scheduling view, or costing 1 or costing 2 view. Most of the solution. Okay. Do you know that the quantity structure, how the quantity structure is coming here?
We don't know about this.
This quantity structure I will discuss. You people search these things. If I want to do the mass changes of the material, okay, we know that MM60 is the T code to check the what are the materials is created, how when the material is created. You are aware about this MM60, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
Yes.
this is my MM60. I am executing with my plant. I will find out the when the material is created and what are the things. I want to download this. How I will download this bit? Do you
Yeah, we have option to export into the Excel file.
tell me now how I can where I have to go?
Yeah, in menu screen,
Okay, where
there na export into the Excel file is
list export
I think
spreadsheet, right?
spreadsheet. Yeah,
Yes.
Yes. If I want to change the layout, I can change the layout. I can add the layout if it is available. Do you know the things, right now?
yeah, yeah. Layout
Yes,
also is
yes.
there, change layout.
Yes, very good, very good. See, in the
Yeah,
material, there is a standard price and variable price is there. Before,
yeah,
in
indicate.
the middle of the discussion, someone tell that for the raw material, the price will be V, and for the finished material, the price will be S. Very good. Tell me,
Standard.
why the raw material price is V?
Yeah, raw material is we are purchasing from outside. The depends on marketing. The price will be vary.
Oh, yes.
Uh,
And how this price of the material will be? Suppose this is a variable price, this is a raw material, the price control is V. Okay, 141.
yeah,
How the price
yeah.
will be updated in the material master? The material master, some price will be updated in accounting one view, right? In accounting one view,
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
the price will be updated. Okay. The price is updated, standard price or B, some price is updated. How this price will be updated?
Through CK24, right? Price will be
No,
updated.
CK24, the standard price will be available. The price control is here B. That's why my question is to you. Slash O CK11N. See, the T code CK11N is the create material cost estimation and quantity structure. Here only we can update the standard price. If the price control is S, okay, then when we run the CK11N, the value will be updated. If the price control is V, the price will be not updated here by running the CK11N. How the price will be updated here? This is the integration question. You people have to know the answer, because sometime in the real time field, the user will ask why this price is changing, how the price is updating. They have some doubts.
Yeah, as per my knowledge, the moving price will automatically change, but I
Yes,
forgot the
very good, very
configuration.
good, very good. Automatic. Who
But
was Jagdish or Anand? Who has
Anant,
provided the answer?
Anant,
Very
but
good,
I
good.
forgot to how to do that.
Yes,
That
at
thing.
the time of GRN, system will update automatically moving price of the material. Okay. At the when they will do
Yeah,
the GRN, goods received against the purchase order, right? They have to provide the price.
yeah, yeah,
Suppose for this month they have taken 1,000 material, the price will be 500. Next month they are taking 1,000 material, the price is 400. The summation will be added there, average price,
yeah, yeah,
average
yeah.
price. Okay,
Yes,
this is important
yes,
thing.
yes.
Why I have shown these things to you? Because you people are little advanced. So I want to show you this thing so that in the real time you will find out the things. Okay. And
Yes, yes, it will be helpful.
yes, in the real time, the same query, again the query. Okay.
Yes.
There is an option. I'll show you. This is very important thing. Okay. if the if I'll not tick mark, so in the real time the user is will have problem. They will run the cost. If the standard price control is S, they will run the CK11N, but the price will not fetch. Okay, this is a
Yeah.
question for you. This is a 141. The material is 141. Okay, I am going
Yeah.
to CK11N. Okay. You people are comfortable, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Anand,
Yes, yes.
Jagdish, you are there?
Jagdish?
Yes, yes, please.
Yes, he is there. Yeah.
Jagdish, if you have doubt, you can ask. We'll go slow, or if you have doubt, we'll clear your doubt, then we'll proceed.
No, no, no. Please continue.
See, suppose in the real time, this type of scenario will come. User will ask the user will,
What is the T code for this? Some network issue, I think.
Sorry,
What is the T code for this?
the T code is CK11N. It is showing, my screen is visible to you, CK11N.
Yes, 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 yes.
See,
Visible.
in the real time, what the people will show, they are the end user. They will send this material. This material, the price is not coming properly. Okay. What you will do?
Okay.
Yeah.
What you will do? You have in the real system, you don't have the access of CK11N. You have the access for CK13N. Means display of the costing. You have to come to CK13N. You have to come to this screen, quantity structure. See. Okay. In the quantity structure,
Okay.
here the BOM and routing data will be fetched. The BOM and routing part we have maintained in the C223 or MRP4 view, the data will be fetched here. Okay. If the material price is not coming properly, you have to check the BOM and routing group here. Okay.
Okay.
How can it comes to here?
Huh?
Yeah, how can it comes to here this screen? That is now it is empty, no? But how can it comes
It is a
into this
error. It is
screen?
a error. In the real time,
Yeah,
if
yeah.
the price will,
Yes.
if it has to calculate the proper price, then it has to fetch the BOM, because BOM number will be there, means the BOM component will be fetched. Routing group number will be there, means routing operation will be fetched. Right? You have to how?
Yeah, yeah.
what I am what I want to say you that suppose you are finding some error for the material, how you will do the analysis in the real time? You do the analysis by you have to come to the CK13N. You will find out the if BOM is available, routing is available. Yeah, BOM on routing is not available. So what we will ask? We will ask the user delete this by CKR1 and run again, so that the BOM on routing will come and the value will be coming properly. Okay. Again, this same thing. How we my question is that how we will approach. Okay. I'll show you in the real system the costing related things. Suppose the issue will be like that. The question will be like this. Okay, user will provide some of the material to you. Okay, they will provide some of the
Yeah.
material A, B, C, D. They will ask the price is not coming properly. How you will do analysis?
Yeah.
From as a consultant, you have to find out the root cause why the price is not coming, right?
Yes. Yes.
The user will provide you. They will ask Mr. Jagdish and Mr. Anand, go and this.
Yeah.
There are some materials. 10 material is there, but in 10 from 10 material, 4 material price is not coming properly. Go and check the material price. How we will do? We will go to check the cost run of the material. Costing is done properly or not, right? Costing is
Yeah.
done properly or not. The key code for CK11N to check the price, that
Yeah.
is CK13N. Okay, CK13N means
Yeah.
display of the cost. By display of the material, you have to go like this, last n CK13N. Okay, you have to go this, you have to enter this.
Yeah.
See, no cost estimation found means something, the quantity structure what I have shown there, you will go and you have to see the BOM and routing number is fetched properly or not. If it is not fetched properly, then the price is not done properly. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, I asked how it can fetch what configuration required for fetching the BOM and group in cost estimation.
Yes, very good question. Good question.
Yeah. Yeah.
Class N, 02. This is the
Yeah.
material.
Your screen is not visible. Actually,
One
SAP
minute.
screen.
1 minute. 1 minute. Good question.
Yeah.
Okay, now my screen is visible.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Your question, how we know and how where it is fetching. In the
Yeah.
costing tab. Okay, here
Yeah.
the version is related, version is there. Production version. See, here the version is not
Okay.
maintained. That's why it is
Oh.
not showing there.
Yes.
It should maintain here. The same thing which we are maintaining MRP4 view, it should reflect here so that it will fetch to there in the CK11N screen. You people get it? See the group number, group.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Production version. Yeah.
Yes. Get it? What?
Means whatever we do in MRP4 view, that will be reflect here, no?
Yes, that will be reflect here. And if it is reflecting here means during costing run, it will
Yeah.
automatically fetched there.
Yeah. It means
Okay.
we have to create a production version and it will be corrected.
Yes, yes. My
Yeah.
question to you that suppose user is giving to check the material, how what should your approach, how you will approach. Okay, before ending this class, it is less than 1 minute. If user has done some
Yes. Yes.
changes in the material, how we could find out what are the changes user have done? If suppose for this material SD people, PP guy, everyone is using, FI guy, so everyone is using data correction purposes. If somebody has done the changes, how I could find out what are the changes he has done? Hello.
We can go to the environmental system. We can check now.
Very good, very good. In the environment, display changes.
Yes.
In the environment, we'll go and we'll see the display changes. It is very important thing, eh? In the real time, it will very
Yes.
much
Yes.
required because many people are there. Okay.
Yes.
My question to you, suppose I have 5